Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. My name is Chakresh Tiwari and this video is gonna be very quick. First of all, I apologize for not uploading any kind of video since very long time. I gone through a lots of comments on YouTube. I have seen lots of Instagram messages. You people were asking to update me regarding my placement. So yeah, this video is only about this. And in one line, I haven't got placed yet. So this is the answer of your all the questions. Like you people were asking if you have got placed yet or not. So this is the one-liner answer. And this video is gonna be like I'm gonna talk about this only my placements, Craftchala and all. So placement reality and Craftchala, this is the topic of this video. I haven't like scripted any, I don't have any points right now to create this video and all. This is just a random video and it will be very quick. So if you are looking for any other thing related to the digital marketing or paid ads, so this video you can skip this video. This is not that much important. So yeah, so if I talk about the reasons I haven't got placed yet, first of all, you people were asking should I join Craftchala or not. You haven't got placed yet. What is the reason? What could be the reason why are you not getting placement? So I am gonna answer this only. So I don't know how to move forward with the video, with the content and all, but yeah, I'm trying. So first of all, you people were asking why should, if you should join Craftchala or not. So yeah, this totally depends on you, like in which situation you are doing. If you are asking me directly, should I join Craftchala or not, I'm not gonna say yeah join it, it is totally worth it, or I'm not gonna say don't join it, it is not worth it. It is worthy for me. Like I am a fresher. I just completed my graduation. I am last year in 2022. I was when I joined Craftchala, I was in my last year. So my exams ended on 16th July, and so this was my case, and I was not having any kind of job or and all, and I was from tier 3 college, like it is a local college. So it is totally worthy for me to join Craftchala. But if I talk about youth, so you should consider all this issue. If you are getting you what all options you are having. If the Craftchala is the best option, analyze all the options. What job you are currently having, in which college you are having, what MBA college are you getting, then decide what is the best option for you. See, so I'm not gonna directly say it is worthy or not. Just analyze it and do some kind of research ki what is the best option for you. Now coming back to my placement process, why my placement is pending till now. I'm still on the process. I'm feeling like I'm applying all the job opportunities, and what is the reason behind it, I don't exactly know. From some companies my CV is not getting selected. For some companies I could not clear aptitude, and for some companies I could not clear interview round. I have given 4 interviews till now, and the companies name are Group M. Group M, I was not eligible also for Group M, because they were asking graduate candidate only, and the candidate who are graduated before August. So my graduation was pending that time. So I have given Group M's interview. Mindshare New, I have shared my experience in previous video. Then ANS Commerce, I have given the ANS Commerce interview, and basically I have given 3 rounds of interview of ANS Commerce, and could not clear the third round. I don't know what is the reason specifically, but yeah, I think I did best in my I did my best in the interview in ANS Commerce interview. So that was the ANS Commerce. Then Social Beats, there was the company Social Beats, and I appeared for the interview and could not clear, uh, though some of my batchmates were placed in Social Beats. So this is there can be some issues, and in my batch, if I talk about my batch, I'm not very clear with the numbers. So but there are 4 to 5 estimated 4 to 5 students left from my batch, and that's the very rare thing. So this is happening with me. I am included me, there are 4 to 5 persons, and apart from that, all the students like 97 to 98 96 to 97 we can say percent bache are placed. So only for me, like this is very rare case. If you are like following me, that's like if you are following me and you are watching all the videos and predicting like placement is not happening, then you may be wrong. And you, yeah, so placement is happening, and report is good. but it is taking time for me. So that's the issue, that's seriously the issue. So if you people are thinking like you will get placed directly after 3 months, then you may be wrong, you can be wrong. You can get placement directly after 3 months, like in 13th week only you can get placed. Like there are lots of batchmates of mine who got placed in 13th week, 14th week, 15th week also. But there were some students who got placed after completing the course 1 month after completing the course. Some got placed 2 months after completing the course, and some like it's been 2.5 months, around 3 months, and I'm still in the process. I haven't got placed yet. It's been almost 3 months. So this can be the issue. If you think like you can, you you will get placed directly after 3 months, then you may be wrong, because it takes time. So 1 to 2 months is the time. 3 months is rare. Like in my batch, there are 4 to 5 students who are still in the process, and I don't know how long it will be going. So that's the issue. Apart from placement, if people were asking should I join, I have already answered. You should consider all the option and then choose for the best option. If I talk specifically, if I talk about my experience, it was good. The course was worthy for me. I am not getting placement, that's the different thing. I am still in the process and trying hard. And placement is the like main, the destination is placement. हमें like placement से ही मतलब होता है. That's the reason we joined क्राफ्टशाला, and it is not happening for me. So it is sometime it create frustration. So individually अगर मैं ऐसे बोल दूँ कि मेरे like मेरी सिचुएशन को देखकर यू शुड नॉट ज्वाइन क्राफ्टशाला, तो वो भी गलत होगा. बिकॉज मेरे बैच से ही ऑलमोस्ट ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर प्लेस्ड अपार्ट फ्रॉम 4 to 5 स्टूडेंट्स इंक्लूडिंग मी. तो मैं आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट यू एनीथिंग इन लाइक you should like research. You should go for the all the options. You should talk with the Craftshala alumni who are placed right now. They have very good experience, and some people, some have may have faced any kind of bad experience also. So that's the reason you are saying I have seen the review. So see, I'm not saying anything like it is good or bad. I'm just creating this video because of this only, because I was getting lots of messages, man. Like people are asking should I join or not. भाई अब ये क्या है, इसको एक बार चेक करना है, ये कि मेरे को ज्वाइन करना चाहिए कि नहीं, सही बोल रहे हो ना, ये that's but I can like I'm sure whatever I told in my video that's true. जो चीज़ मैंने एक्सपीरियंस की वो मैंने आपको बताया है, ठीक है. एंड अगर किसी का कुछ ख़राब एक्सपीरियंस रहा है क्राफ्टशाला के साथ, तो ही शेयरिंग जस्ट हिज एक्सपीरियंस. तो आई डोंट वांट टू कमेंट एनीथिंग और एनीवन, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि go with the research, go for the facts, and talk with some alumni also who are placed and who are not. So concluding my point, I just created my this video just to inform you that my placement is still in the process. I'm still in the process, and it is taking time. Seriously, it is taking time. That's the reason uh, I haven't like updated you anything on the YouTube. And if I talk about the you should join or not, then I have already answered this thing. And और कुछ आई डोंट थिंक अभी कुछ बचा हुआ है. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड एवरीथिंग. एंड अगर कुछ डाउट स्टिल, इफ़ यू आर हैव फेसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट, यू कैन जस्ट कमेंट डाउट. एंड एक और चीज़ बताना है, लाइक पीपल वर आस्किंग हिंदी और इंग्लिश का क्या रोल है क्राफ्टशाला में. सो योर क्लासेज आर गोना बी इन इंग्लिश ओनली. आपको कुछ डिस्कशन वगैरह करना है तो यू विल हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट वेरी गुड विद द इंग्लिश, देन इट इज़ फाइन. लाइक यू आर सेइंग कि मेरे को इंग्लिश बिल्कुल नहीं आती है, इंग्लिश में मैं कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाता हूँ. सो दैट्स नॉट एन इशू फॉर मी. लाइक अगर आपको थोड़ी बहुत आती है, इफ़ यू कैन पुट योर पॉइंट्स एंड इफ़ यू कैन understand whatever सामने वाला is saying, तो there is not an issue. I am not expert in English also, so I can't let like say anything, because मेरे को भी बहुत ज़्यादा कोई इतना expertise नहीं है इस चीज़ में. So and there are like they are also providing English speaking classes now from now. मेरे बैच में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. तो अगर आती है थोड़ी बहुत, इफ़ यू कैन पुट योर पॉइंट्स इन इंग्लिश, देन इट इज़ गुड फॉर यू. एंड इंग्लिश का या बट क्लासेस विल बी ऑन इंग्लिश ओनली. आपके जितने सारे इंटरव्यूज़ होंगे, मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ एंड रियल इंटरव्यू, सब कुछ इंग्लिश में होने वाला है. सो यू विल हैव टू लर्न इट. अगर आपको नहीं आती है तो यू विल हैव टू लर्न इट, क्योंकि बिना इसके काम नहीं चलेगा, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. प्लेसमेंट की मैंने सारी बातें बता दी है, अगर कोई और डाउट हो तो यू कैन जस्ट कमेंट इट डाउन। एंड और हाँ, एक चीज़ और, एक लोन का बहुत ज़्यादा वो क्वेश्चन आ रहा था कि व्हाट इज़ द ईएमआई और लोन प्रोसेस फॉर क्राफ्टशाला पे आफ्टर प्लेसमेंट के लिए क्या कैसा सीन होता है। सो लोन के लिए मैं बता दूं आपको, एक क्या बोलते हैं, देयर इज़ अ प्रोसेस व्हेन यू विल बी इन योर फर्स्ट 3 वीक। जब आप अपने 3 वीक्स में होंगे क्राफ्टशाला में, इन फर्स्ट 3 वीक दे विल आस्क यू फॉर सम काइंड ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, योर पैन, आधार एंड व्हाट टू से, bank account number and all, yeah, so that they can check if you are eligible for the loan and or not. So they will check your CIBIL score basically. And the thing is, if it is pay after people are asking me if it is pay after placement program, then why we are like taking loan. So Propel is their NBFC partner, and this is the process, I think, for all the institute who are providing pay after placement thing. So this is a kind of loan which we will be paying after getting placement only. Like जब हमारे हाथ में ऑफर लेटर आ जाता है, then we will start paying क्राफ्टशाला either on EMI और एक साथ पूरा ये, this is like depends upon us. तो this is the thing कि लोन के लिए they can't like give you pay after placement without checking any eligibility. So this is the process. और yeah, that's the process. And some kind people may face the issues in that. Like I have seen a lot of people, like not lot of, 2 to 3 people I have talked about, जिनको प्रॉब्लम इशू आया था इसमें लोन के टाइम पर। एनबीएफसी पार्टनर से किसी का क्रेडिट स्कोर का कुछ इशू था, और एक मतलब मेरा फ्रेंड है जो विशाल, उसका तो डिफरेंट इशू था, उसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नहीं कंप्लीट था। तो अगर ये इशू है आपका, तो you won't be able to join. So civil score is the main thing, and documentation, like by not a very specific document, pan, aadhar is the thing. And if you like, sometimes you need to क्या बोलते हैं, अटैच को एप्लीकेंट्स डॉक्यूमेंट, इफ़ यू आर नॉट एंड इफ़ यू आर अंडर 21, अगर 21 से कम की एज है तो यू विल हैव टू अटैच योर को एप्लीकेंट मीन्स मदर, फादर और ब्रदर। तो इनमें से किसी का आपको डॉक्यूमेंट देना पड़ेगा, and if it is not completed, then it can be problematic. So that's the thing about the loan. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. If there is any specific thing, you can just ping me on Instagram. During this tenure, like from the last video, I think I have uploaded 1.5 month before. So इतने दिनों में I have talked to a lots of people, and lots of बहुत लोगों से तो मैंने इंस्टा पे, कॉल पे एंड सब पे बात करी हुई, बहुत लोगों से मैंने बात करी. So that's the good experience I am getting. ठीक है. And yeah, and one thing एंड या जस्ट वन थिंग आई वुड से यू कि आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे मैसेजेस करे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे, बहुत सारे मैसेजेस करे हैं. 3 दिन से आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू सी एनी मैसेजेस, एनी टेक्स्ट ऑन इंस्टा. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि आप लोगों ने बहुत से टेक्स्ट पढ़े हुए हैं इंस्टा पे, बहुत से टेक्स्ट किए हैं. आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर नॉट रिप्लाइंग. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी रिप्लाई, सो आई अपोलोजाइज फॉर दैट. और अभी भी अगर लाइक कुछ डाउट है तो आप फिर से मैसेज कर सकते हैं उस पर, तो वो जो है पॉपअप हो जाएगा, मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन से पता चल जाएगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे मैसेजेस नीचे चले गए हुए हैं. तो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. और अभी 3 दिन से आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग टाइम, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा यार देख लेना, मतलब बहुत मैसेजेस नीचे चले गए. एंड दैट्स द रीज़न कि मैंने वीडियो बना दिया, क्योंकि आई नो कि सेम क्वेरी सबका है, क्वेरी सबका सेम आता था कि भाई क्या है, इसका क्या सीन है, क्या सीन है. तो मैंने कहा कि अभी इतना रिप्लाई करने से अच्छा है एक छोटा सा वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दो. तो अभी भी इसके बाद भी किसी को डाउट हो तो वो फिर से मैसेज कर सकता है. ऑल्दो आई हैवंट सीन दैट मैसेज, बट आप फिर से मैसेज करेंगे तो आई विल डेफिनेटली सी. तो या दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.